Okay, hi guys. Welcome to my first video of 2018. And I wanted this video up like on January 1st, but I can never rely on myself to actually get things done. So here we are on January 7th. This might go up tomorrow or tonight. I really don't know yet. Getting this video to you guys, and it's all about new year, new me, or new us, because I made this video with two of my friends and we decided to make vision boards for the year 2018 because it may or may not actually help you follow through with your goals for that year. But I have never personally done one. I was like, hey, never done it, never tried it, why not? And I like to do crafty things, and then we like made a day out of it. Like we literally spent 5 hours on these.
Okay, so I went with a little...
Can you tell Alexa to stop, Kylie?
Alexa, stop!
Okay, so I went a little bit different than you guys did. So I did 20 in the middle because 2018 is the year I turned 20, so I'm no longer going to be a teenager. And that's kind of why I wanted to do the vision board in the first place. But the top section is stuff I want to improve on, or just stuff I want to keep in 2018. So I have patience because I have none and I want some. And then bravery I put on there mostly because like I'm really shy and scared of things, which makes me really easy to walk over, and I don't like that. So I want to, like, you know, I don't know, but bravery. And then I put hope, love, faith. Those are the basic ones. They're pretty self-explanatory. And I put little decorative feathers that went with where I got them from, and I kept them. And then I have, like, flowers were really my thing for some reason. Right here I have take your chance now.
Hey, I have that too. Take your chance.
Cute. She gave it to me. So. I have take your chance now, and I put those together on purpose just because, like, I want to be more spontaneous in general. I feel like that would help in life in general. Over here I have queen, just because queen. And then I have a butterfly because we looked up the meaning to butterflies. And what were all of them, Natalie?
Just like change and becoming new, and
there's a bunch of meanings to them.
Like overcoming things.
Yeah.
And just
it ranged anything from like resurrection to simply change. So I just like butterflies in general because they represent a bunch of things and they're really symbolic. And the bottom part of it is mostly career stuff. I have take the next step in your career, which is obvious. And then I have work, which is also pretty self-explanatory. And then I have a couple of quotes. The first one's from Miley Cyrus. And it was, I feel like I've been given a nice life, but what am I going to do with it? So that's my whole struggle with what career I wanted to take until I finally decided on it. But now I have to act on it.
nursing.
Oh, I was like, what happened? And then this one's Blake Lively, and she said, I've never had the freedom to carve my own path, and this year I've been able to. So that's what I want to do. I want more independence in general, like as a 20-year-old. Just more independence, more just becoming an adult, which is
Yeah.
scary. And then I put great expectations on there, simply because I know people expect a lot from me. Do you think they can still hear me with the air on?
Yeah, just talk louder maybe.
I know people have like high expectations and I want to meet those expectations, so that's why I put it in the career section. I put that with can do, like you can meet those expectations.
It said chili at first, but it's chill.
Hmm?
I thought it said chili at first.
Oh, it does look like chili. Oh. Anyway, the art of you, I don't know why I put that on there, but it's pretty cute. And then bring it on. Like, I'm ready for any obstacles that 2018 brings. I have happy and then reinvented, so they kind of go together. Just trying to figure out what my happiness is, what I have to do to get there. Then I have smart is beautiful. And I have like anxiety, a tiny little anxiety, mostly because I really want to work on anything that's mental health related in 2018, because 2017 was not the year of mental health, so I want to make sure 2018 is. Then I have chill to go with my anxiety, like a huge chill. And then I didn't have a lot of room to do like a fitness section or anything. But I was talking to Natalie about it, how fitness and going to the gym is everybody's resolution, but I've never made that my resolution. So for the first time ever, I'm going to try to have a fitness goal for 2018. So make fit happen is what I put. And then I have little hearts, glitter hearts as decoration, and then a little flower to go with my other little flower. And that's it. I wish I knew the symbolic meaning of feathers, because I feel
I mean, a lot of people get tattoos of them,
Yeah.
so there has to be some like really deep.
So probably whatever the meaning of feather is probably fits to me too. So yeah, that's my little vision board for 2018 for my 20s.
So this is my vision board. I want a new job because my job sucks, and I'm not going to tell you what my job is because I'm ashamed of it. I have healthy food on here, so I can be in good health this year. This year I want to be in good health and tone my body, so I'm going to take shape. And so this is my body. I'm in control of it. And I have really good friends. They're very girly, so that's why I have Glam Squad on here. And I put butterflies on there to fill in the space because I didn't have enough visions to my board. I'm obsessed with the Eiffel Tower. I want to go to Paris, mostly for the language, but I want to go to Paris. And then I have this quote over here. It says, sometimes the best gain is to lose. So maybe me gaining all this weight, I can lose it all. I don't know. Also for 2018, I think I have a bright future. And I want to be sexy. And I need to drink more water, so that's why I have water on here. I'm also an artist, very, very, very young amateur artist. So I have art in soul, art in my soul, and I have more healthy food. I have you because I really need to work on myself this year. And in case you're wondering how I did this, that's just me gluing this on with paint because I'm lazy. So I use the paint to glue it to the board. And I want to have the best day of my life this year because it's an even year and I like even years. Odd years are dumb. So 2017 really sucked. And all the other odd years before that. I also hate avocados, and I want to be able to like avocados by the end of this year. And I am in a serious relationship, so I want some more from it. I already have a promise ring, but anyways, I need to work on smiling because I suck at it. If you haven't noticed, I haven't really smiled this whole video, part of the video. And I need to be my own self and not try to be someone I'm not. Not that that's gonna happen. And I want to see the world, so hopefully I'll be able to move places I haven't been. And this is just because I want to be at a fancy dance, not because, yeah. And the hearts are on here just to add some color. Also glued on by paint. And so this is my vision board, mostly about working on myself and starting new things, like rabbit food and a new job and taking another step in my relationship. And I really hope I look like I'm in college because this is an old high school hoodie. I want to be inspired by my parents and proven by exploring life. Yeah. Yep, that makes sense. And in case you haven't noticed, this is my name. Don't wear it out. I done.
So my vision board right here, we're gonna try this the best that we can. So at the very top I have the year 2018 because obviously it's 2018, no doubt. This is the only part I don't like about my vision board, but other than that I really love my vision board and how it came together. I did not expect me to like my vision board this much just because I'm always like, I doubt myself in everything. I doubt myself in life. I doubt myself in every little thing I do. That's why I'm saying this. But yes, 2018, I don't like how I painted that pink. I wish I would have left it white and black. And I don't like how I put glitter in it either. Like I wish I would have just left that the original. Other than that, I really like it because I just feel like it doesn't go together and I don't like it. I do like the little sparkles that I went through at the back, but other than that, I don't like how I did that. But it's one small detail and I mean, nothing can be perfect, so that's that. So at the top, I kind of have it categorized like in horizontal sections. So at the top, I have this saying, this quote, and it says, "You are so loved," and it's just a reminder for me to know that I am loved. I don't know, I'm a weird person, but I just always have like the most negative thoughts about myself, and I feel like if I have those negative thoughts about myself, that means other people are gonna have the same thoughts about me. So that is that. And moving on, I also have, what kind of section is this? I really don't know what section you would call this. This is just kind of like inspirational stuff, I guess, like dream, always shoot for your dreams. I have my walk by faith because I really want to get more into my faith and read the Bible more and everything. This just says love the game. I thought it was cute and just kind of like love your life kind of thing. This little quote right here says, "When we lose one blessing, another is often most unexpectedly given in its place." So basically saying if you lose something, it's usually for a reason and something better is going to come from it, is how I read the quote, and that's why I went ahead and put it on there. Free spirit, just because I need to try and like not be so, I just need to let go of some things and just become more free of myself and stuff like that. Up here in the very corner it says, "Happiness is like a butterfly, which when pursued is always beyond our grasp, but if you will sit down quietly, may it alight upon you." And I like this because it went along with the whole butterfly thing. If you just search like butterflies, there's like so many meanings the butterflies have, and a lot of it is just like new growth, new possibilities, but there's like so many different ones that you can like relate to. That's kind of how I am, just kind of like starting fresh, starting new, and you can always have another door open for you. And that definitely has been applied for me. And this section right here, I guess it's not really horizontal, it's just kind of sections everywhere, but this section right here, so this is like my beauty. You know, I always like to try and get better at my makeup and everything, and just finding inner beauty and outer beauty. And then I have 20 because I'm going to be turning 20 this year. And then this one says hold on to your identity, but just kind of like always stay true to yourself and remember who was always there to get you to where you are now, kind of thing. And then this is just a quote that says take your chance, because I really need to like try new things and just take a leap. This says reimagine, so kind of just don't always stay in the same routine and try and do something new, kind of like reimagine everything. This one says define and conquer, because I'm really trying to define and conquer my insecurities this year. Breathe. This is a very special word to me, and I kind of want to get it tattooed. And a lot of people will think breathe, that's such like, what's so special about the word breathe? But for me, I have social anxiety, and then there's just situations where I get really like just paralyzed, and I kind of just stop breathing, and I get so overwhelmed and everything, and I just need to remind myself to take a deep breath, breathe, and it's gonna be okay. You just gotta calm down, and that's why. And it's just this word is so powerful to me. And this says invest in people who invest in you. Don't waste your time on someone that's not giving any time to you. So if there's somebody out there that you're really trying so hard to have a part of your life and they're just not caring at all, throw them away, honey. Like, just throw them to the curb. They're not worth your, if they don't want to be a part of your life, they're not worth it. So that's that. Okay, now we're going to come into this area right here. This is basically the typical cliche get fit, get healthy, lose weight, or whatever like healthy goals are. And I know it's so cliche, but it's just something I always try to do every year, and I usually fail. But there was one year that I actually stuck with it, and I'm trying to really get back to that mindset in that year, because it was great when I actually like stuck with it, you guys know. So I'm basically just trying it again, and so far it's been 7 days in and I've been perfect. So I think that little thing clicked in my head again that I talked about in my weight loss video, if anybody even watches that anymore. But yes, so this is just like some shoes, vegetables, fruits, work, make fit happen, fresh start, and make it happen, shock everyone, and then fresh start. Oh, I put that on there. I put fresh start on there twice. Oh well, it's true, a fresh start. Right here it says when you feel like stopping, think about why you started. That's just a great like fitness or just any kind of quote for anything in your life. If there's ever a part of your life where you just feel like it's just not, like you just want to give up, remember what you were thinking when you started. Just remember that thought, and like obviously why would you start if it didn't mean something to you. So I love that quote. And then be happy, because that's a big thing for me. I need to like learn how to like let go of all of the negativity in my brain and everything that I do. I just need to be happy with my life and not always think of the negative, and just be in the moment and be happy, you know. And then the bottom is kind of just like summer and just random things, didn't really go with anything else. So this says nothing like a cold wave to wake up the soul, because this summer I'm really excited for this summer, just with like my fitness and everything, and like vacationing and stuff like that. And I just really like this picture. It's very aesthetically pleasing to me. Just liked how she was so carefree and enjoying the moment, and it just says ignite something. And then open up more, because I'm a very shy person to people who don't know me, and I'm like so shy. It takes me a while to really open up to you, but when I do open up to you, just ask my friends. And then money, because you know, work hard, make the money. And this says life is about moments, because it really is. And then there's just some hearts on here, and that is my vision board. I'll do a close-up for you guys so you guys can see it all, because I was kind of far away when I was talking about it, and I'll kind of just like run up so you guys can see it all. Guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope 2018 has been so kind to you so far, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.